Welcome to the Tino and Chomp Chomp Show. I want to welcome my future co-host, Jessica, to the show. I'm looking forward to you co-hosting with me, Jessica.
Thanks, Tino. I can't wait so we can get this morning show started. Oh, this must be Chomp Chomp. I've heard a lot about you.
You're Jessica, so you think you're going to be Tino's new co-host. Let me explain something, Jessica. Oh, by the way, you look hot. Do you know what happened to Tino's last co-host?
Wow, and I thought Mike Cuca had a serious attitude, Tino.
Chomp Chomp, you don't be rude.
Stop stressing, Tino. By the way, Jessica, how about some cage action? Are you?
Chomp Chomp, I told you I said be nice. Ow! Ouch, ouch, ouch.
Oh, I hope you don't mind. I brought my little Cuca. She's my Puerto Rican parrot.
Seriously, Jessica, this is the famous chicken beak?
Hubba, hubba, hubba! Whoa, hello, Toots. My name's Chomp Chomp. How about I put some mood music on and we get some cage action together?
Chomp Chomp, only cage action you're gonna get is a chancla to the cocote.
I don't understand a word you're saying, Cuca, but I'm sure cage action must be in there somewhere with Chomp Chomp.
Chomp Chomp, you're so cute, but that attitude won't be a good mix for my Cuca. She can be a little loquita.
Oh, Chomp Chomp, you know all the words. I never realized how romantic you are. I have to say, Chomp Chomp, you really have some beak.
Yeah, she has some pretty feathered colors, Jessica.
Who asked you, Tino?
If you think you're gonna get some cage action from me...
Cuca, you crazy parrot. You sawed off Chomp Chomp's feathers. I'm so sorry, Chomp Chomp.
Hubba, hubba, hubba! Chomp Chomp's in love with Cuca. What kind of mood music did you say you wanted for our cage action?
Oh, Chomp Chomp, arranca en fa.
Never heard of that one, Cuca.
Now you have Chomp Chomp, you goofy parrot. Oh, Chomp Chomp, don't forget to watch out for traffic.
So, that's what that feels like, Tino.
Chomp Chomp, you goofy parrot. Look what you did to us.
Oh no, Cuca, you crazy parrot. That was Tino. We're gonna be working together.
Ease, Jessica, you're such a drama queen.